friends, let's start with the new part, that is the last part of this chapter. It's median. It is another part of measure of central tendency. We discussed what is a median in the last year, 9th standard. If the ungrouped data is given, we have to arrange the data in the ascending order, and the data observation which comes in the middlemost, that is called the median of the data. That was for the group data. Now let us find out the median for, that was for ungrouped data. Let us find out the median for group data. Median is also denoted by capital M. Here is the formula, it is L plus N upon 2 minus CF whole divided by F into H. Let's get the meaning of this, all the terms. M is the median, L is the lower limit, or we can say the lower boundary of median class. We'll see in the examination, that is in the next question, that how we'll find out the median class. वो हम कैसे ढूंढेंगे, that we'll see in the next question. N, it's a N upon 2, but N is the total number of observations. CF, this is the new for you, that is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding of median class. मीडियन क्लास जो आएगा उसमें जो कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा, दैट इज द न्यू पार्ट, और उसके ऊपर वाला, दैट अगेन विल सी. F is the frequency of the median class and H is the same, that is the class length, that is the class size. So let us start with the questions to find out the median. Let us start with the first question of this new exercise 14.3. The question says that the following frequency distributions gives the monthly consumption of electricity, which are in the units, of 68 consumers of a locality. Find median, mean and mode of and compare them. So as we have to find out mean, median and mode, but remember students will learn only the median. As we have already discussed that how to find out the mean and the mode in the previous lectures of this chapter. So now we'll discuss only to find out the median of the given data. So you can see that these are the two columns given and this is the new one. You can see it's a CF, that is cumulative frequency. So now this is new for you. Let us understand that how we can find out the cumulative frequency of the given data. So we can keep the first frequency as it is. Cumulate, that means we have to add. So to obtain the cumulative frequency, we should add this two. So that is 5 plus 4. So that comes 9. So 9 is the second cumulative frequency. Remember students, this 5 plus 4 is not necessary to show in the examination. As it is the first sum I am doing, so I will explain it. Let's obtain the third cumulative frequency. So this frequency should be added into the previous cumulative. So that comes 22. Next, 20 plus 22, that is 42. Next, 14 plus 42, that is 56. 8 plus 56, so it is 64, and 4 plus 64, that is 68. Remember students, we have to do the addition of this also. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, that is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As this value is already given into the question, 68 consumers. Remember one thing students, that whatever the total number of observations you do here, that is the frequency, is same as the last cumulative frequency. यहाँ पे जो आप addition obtain कर रहे हो, you should remember the same value comes here. This is how we can identify whether the cumulative frequency addition we have done right or wrong, or whether this one is right or wrong. अगर ये दोनों वैल्यूज सेम नहीं आते, so somewhere we have done the mistake. So every time we should verify by checking these two values. This value is called N. That is the sum of observations, or we can say the total observations. Now I'll explain that how to find out the model class. हम सीखेंगे median class कैसे ढूंढना है. So we required N, which is very important. So let's first find out N upon 2. So 6, it is compulsory every time we have to do the same thing. So it comes 34. This value we should check into the CF where that value exists. CF में ये value कहाँ पे आ रही है? तो we can see that it does not exist anywhere. So we have to check that इसके बाद वाला value, the value which is greater than this. So here it exists. So this is what we are talking about. Now the class of this CF, that is 125 to 145, is the median class. दोबारा समझ लो median class कैसे आया. The value which we obtain N upon 2, we have to check from CF. फिर ये value नहीं हो रहा है, so we have to go for the greater value of this. 34 से बड़ा number है 42, the next consecutive, or we can say the next larger number. ये नहीं चेक करना है, इससे नेक्स्ट बड़ा नंबर 42. सो द क्लास ऑफ दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी इज कॉल्ड मीडियन क्लास. सो द मीडियन क्लास इज 125 to 145. नाउ ऑल द वैल्यूज बेस्ड ऑन दिस, सारे वैल्यूज हम लिखेंगे. L is the lower boundary, that is 125. N upon 2, we have already obtained 34. Then it was CF, if you remember. तो CF क्या था? हमारा जो मीडियन क्लास है उसका प्रेसिडिंग CF. दोबारा एक बार, हमारा जो मीडियन क्लास है उसका प्रेसिडिंग CF, मतलब उसके ऊपर वाला. सो CF is 22. एक चीज याद रखेंगे, CF is always smaller than N upon 2. CF हमेशा N upon 2 से छोटा ही होगा. Frequency of the same class 20, and the last it was H. H हमें पता है, it's equal class length, that is 20. So here we obtain all the values which we require to find out the median. So let us substitute the value. First we write the formula L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Let us substitute the values here. L is 125 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So we can see here this both the values are same, we can directly cut them. So 125 plus the subtraction of this two is 12. So we obtain quite easy simplification, 137. So 137 units, which is the median of the given data. Remember students, your answer is always lies between the median class. आपका आंसर मीडियन का हमेशा मीडियन क्लास के बीच में ही आएगा, उसके बाहर नहीं आ सकता. Let us do one of the most important question of this exercise, that is the question number 2. In this question they have given the median of the distributions given is 28.5. Find the missing values x and y. These are the two missing frequencies of this question. It's a very important question. As in the question they have given to find out the median. Okay, median is given to find out the missing frequency. As the question relate with the median, we have to find out the CF. So as we discussed in the previous question, to find out the CF, let us write down this phi as it is. Then x should be added to phi, so x plus phi. 20 should be added to here, so it is x plus 20 can be added to phi, so it is 25. This 15 should be added here, so x plus 40. How it is 40? 15 plus 50, 25. Now y should be added here. So y plus x plus 40. 5 should be added here. So y plus x plus 45. This is the total. Don't add here. It's a total. Total frequency is given. As I told you, we have to do the sum of this also. इसका भी हमें addition करना है. Okay. It's 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So you can see that we obtain 45 plus x plus 5. क्यों किया हमने ये? To verify whether we have done this right or wrong. हमने verify कर दिया कि the CF value which we obtain here is absolutely correct. Okay. Now let's find out the median class, which is the most important. In this question they have given the two values. एक and दे दिया है हमें, that is 60. And if you read the question, they have given the median also, that is 28.5. If we'll find out the median class, want to find out the median class, what we used to do, इसका half करेंगे, that is 30, और उसमें हमें ढूंढना है. But in the missing frequency, we are not going with that method. How to find out the median class in the missing frequency? You can see that the value of median, which is already given, 28.5. So now look at this value, comes or lies in which class interval? दोबारा, this value of m, ये कौन से class interval में आ रहा है? So we can say that it lies between this class, 20 to 30. So we come to the conclusion that 20 to 30 is the median class. So we can say the median class of the given data, 20 to 30. I told you the reason. As the median is 28.5, which lies here. That is why our median class is 20 to 25. Now rest of all the values we know how to find out. L is the lower limit or lower boundary. Then n upon 2, that is 60 by 2, it is 30. Then CF, it's a cumulative frequency of the preceding of the median class. As it is a median class, the preceding is x plus 5. Frequency, that is of the same class, 20. And the value h, that is the class length, 10. So all the values which we obtain here, यहाँ पे हमें सारे values मिल गए. So let us continue with the sums. We will substitute the value into the formula. The formula m is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Let us substitute all the values. The value of m is there, 28.5. The value of L is 20. N upon 2 is 30 minus. Remember students, I observe the students are doing the mistakes here. CF की value है x plus 5. So students are substituting the value x plus 5 like this. No, it is wrong. You have to write in the bracket form. The reason it is minus sign. तो ये bracket में लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. Upon what the frequency is 20 and the height is 10. Look at the simplification. ये zeros हम cut कर सकते हैं. First I will take this 20 left hand side, which comes in the subtraction. 28.5 minus 20. This bracket now I will open, 30 minus x minus 5, and it remains 2 in the denominator. The subtraction of this 2 is 8.5. This 30 minus 5, that is 25 minus x upon 2. Let us simplify. I will take this 2 and multiply with 8.5. 8.5 into 2. That is 25 minus x. It is 17. 25 minus x. I'll take x here and I'll take 17 to the right hand side. So 25 minus 17. So the value of x is 8. We should remember here, this is the value of x we obtain. हमें तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ अभी x मिला है. One more variable is left to find out, and that is y. Now let us see that how we can find out y. That we will see here. अब वो हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं. As I told you previously also, we are going to use this. This is the sum of frequency and that is given 60. So let me just note it down here. That 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. I told you why. हमने इसका sum किया which we obtain this value 45 plus x plus y. But in the question it is given 60. We obtain the value of x over there which will substitute here 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. The sum of this two, that is 53 plus y is equals to 60. I take this 53 right hand side which comes in the subtraction 60 minus 53. So here we obtain the value of y and that is 7. So thus the required value of x and y of this missing frequency quotient of median we obtain. Remember students, this is one of the most important question of this chapter as well as of this exercise. Let us see one more important question, that is question number 3. It is said that a life insurance agent found the following data for distributions of ages of 100 policy holders. There are total 100 policy holders are there जिन लोगों ने पॉलिसी लीज है. कैलकुलेट द मीडियन एज, तो हमें मीडियन ढूंढना है. इफ पॉलिसीज आर गिवन ओनली टू द पर्सन having the age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So that is the data is given here. There are only 2 policy holders whose age is less than 20. Students पहले question समझ लो. There are total 6 policy holders whose age is less than 25. मतलब these 2 policy holders are included in this, because less than 25 also includes less than 20. Below 25 can also include below 20. When we talk about below 30 years, so which includes both, that is already 6 जो यहाँ पे already included है. Below 35, so this 24 is included here. तो सबसे पहले हमें ये क्वेश्चंस में वी हैव टू मेक अ क्लास, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जब बात करेंगे बिलो 60 मतलब ऑल द 100 पॉलिसी होल्डर्स आ गए. सो लेट्स मेक अ क्लास दैट इज द एज, जिसको हम क्लास में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो दिस फर्स्ट क्लास कैन बी रिटन 18 to 20, मगर हम लिख रहे हैं लेस देन 20. The next is very important. Look at that here. They have given the gap of 5. So we will write between 20 to 25. Between 25 to 30. Between 30 to 35. Between 35 to 40. हम ये एज ग्रुप बना रहे हैं कि ये एज ग्रुप वाले कितने लोग हैं, मतलब पॉलिसी होल्डर्स, ये एज ग्रुप वाले, ये एज ग्रुप वाले, like the rest of all. We have to go till, as it is mentioned, less than 60, 50 to 55, and the last is 55 to 60. क्योंकि 60 से ज्यादा को पॉलिसी नहीं दी गई है. सो दिस इज द क्लास विच वी प्रिपेयर. तो अब यहां पे हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी भी बनाना पड़ेगा. सो यू मस्ट बी सरप्राइज. तो ये वैल्यू क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, अच्छे से समझ लो. There are only 2 policy holders whose age is less than 20. तो फिर इतने policy holders हैं whose age is between 20 to 25. वैसे कितने policy holders हैं? So as I told you in this 6, this 2 is already included. So our answer comes 6 minus 2, that is 4. मतलब there are 4 policy holders, ये एज ग्रुप वाले, 2 पॉलिसी होल्डर्स थे लेस देन 20 और 20 से 25 की साल की उम्र में सिर्फ 4 पॉलिसी होल्डर्स हैं. वैसे ही 25 to 30. So again you can see that I am doing the subtraction of this. 24 minus 6, so that is 18. So there are 18 such holders lying between this age. The same way मैं ये consecutive frequency जो है उसका एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहा हूं. 45 minus 24, that is equals to 21. 78 minus 45, that is equals to 33. 89 minus 78, that is equals to 11. 92 minus 89, that is equals to 3. 98 minus 92, that is equals to 6. And 100 minus 98, that is equals to 2. तो यहां पे हमें जो फ्रीक्वेंसीज मिली है 2 plus 4 plus 18. So let us find out the cumulative frequency of those. तो आप देखेंगे यही वैल्यूज मिलेगा हमें. So that is 2 comes here. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 18, so the 24. Look at this. 21 plus 18. So what it comes? Okay, no, sorry. 21 plus 24. So that comes 45. 33 plus 44, 78. 11 plus 78, 89. 89 plus 3, 92. 92 plus 6, 98. 98 plus 2, that is 100. You can see this, all the values match with these values. So there is no need to prepare this column. तो ये कॉलम सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने बनाया है इधर. So there is no need to prepare. So we can consider this value as CF. Now as we obtain this 3 column which were required, now we'll go for the median. सबसे पहले n which is 100. So n upon 2, that is 50. This 50 value should be checked here in the CF. CF में चेक करना है, 50 नहीं है उससे ज्यादा वाला. So ये. So the median class is 35 to 40. So now we'll obtain all the values. L is the lower boundary 35. N upon 2 we have already obtained 50. CF is the preceding value of the cumulative frequency 45, and this value is always smaller than n by 2. Frequency is of the same class, that is 33. ये हमारा frequency है. In the last value h, which is considered as the class length 5. Let us substitute this value into the m. So L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon f into h. L is 35, n upon 2 is 50 minus 45 upon 33 into h. So it is 35 plus, ये subtraction होगा 5, 5 multiply with the numerator and 33. So 35 plus 25 upon 33. Let us get this value into the decimal. 25 को 33 से divide कर रहे हैं. As it won't be divisible, 0 आएगा. 250, 6 जा, 7 जा, 8 जा. So we'll go for 7, 7 3 जा 21, 21 plus 2, 23. We'll go for one more 0, 90. 6 जा. Again, it's 5. 60. So let's go for the 2 digit after the decimal. उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाना है. 35 plus 0.75. So this integer should multiply with the integer. So m is equals to 35.75. This is the median age, and as we discussed, this always lies between the median class. वो हमेशा median class के बीच में रहेगा. Thus, how the median class has to be found out. Let us start with this one more question. That is the fourth number. It is given the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Number of leaves, we have to find out the median. Now you can see that in the data it's 118 to 126 and 127 to 135. So we can see this upper boundary and the lower boundary should be equal. So as it is not equal, so let's make them equal, which we have already discussed in the 9th standard, how we can make the continuous class. So it should be written 117.5, 0.5 less of this to 126.5, 0.5 we added to this. Now the same 126.5 to 135.5. It's 135.5 to 145.5. Sorry, 144. 144.5 to 153.5. 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. 171.5 to 180.5. So now we can see that it's become a continuous class. The upper boundary and the lower boundary of this consecutive class become equal. Now we should consider this as a class. Now the frequency is given. Let's find out the cumulative frequency by the usual thing. This comes 3, 5 plus 3, that is 8, 9 plus 8, that is 17, 12 plus 17, that is 29, 5 plus 29, that is 34, 4 plus 34, that is 38, and 2 plus 38, that is 40. Let us do the sum of all this. 5 plus 3 plus 8, 17, plus 2, 19, plus 5, 24, plus 4, 28, 30, 3 plus 1, 4. So the total number of leaves are given 40, which is equals to the last cumulative frequency. This both the values must be equal. They are. Now the sum is easy to do it. Let's first, we need to find out the median class. So the value n is given 40. So n upon 2 is 20. So let us find out where the 20 exists. So this is the class which we have to consider. So we can say that the median class is, it's 144.5 to 153.5. Now rest of all the values, that is L, it's the lower boundary, 144.5. N upon 2 is already there, 20. CF is the preceding value, it's 17 and must be smaller than n by 2. The frequency is of the same class, 12, and the height. अब ये height देखो या ये, it must be same. So you can see it is a gap of 9. हम जब इसका subtraction करेंगे, so we'll get the gap that is equals to 9. So let us write the formula and substitute all the values into the formula, into H. Let us substitute. The value L is 144.5. This is 20 minus 17 upon F into H. It's 144.5. This is 3 into 9 upon 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. I'll divide 9 with 4 and get the answer in the decimal. 4 twos are 8. It remains 10. That is 1 and 0. 4 2s are 8 and 5s are. So let's do the addition of these two. So it's 5, 7, 6, 4. So the median class of this question is 146.75.